Alright guys, so today's a real special day because my wife and I is about to start a new venture, and I'm gonna open up a film production studio. That's right, you heard it right, a film production studio, ReemGrafix Studios out here in Atlanta. So today's the first day that we're gonna start looking for locations. I guess this location is in Marietta. We're looking for some dope warehouse spots. So let's take a look. So it's dope, it got a nice ramp to come in. So it's really fire. It's dope. I wanted somewhere that has high ceilings, so this place actually is dope for high ceilings. I already got the pins for film production. This is really dope.
I liked it. It's a decent amount of space. Okay, so that was 1,500 square feet.
Yeah, because it's an open floor plan, it feels bigger.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go talk to this lady about the details for this spot. Today we're buying all of the tools and stuff so we can paint the warehouse. We're gonna go with a black so it can really get the film production look. So we can have a flat base. We got some frog tape. Oh, and they're here. So we're going with the black.
Sorry, this is for the bathroom. You know, I think stuff.
Anything else I can do for you?
Frog tape. So I think we have everything for this area. Thank you so much. You helped us a lot. So let's go to the other area so we could just look up the other stuff. All right, so I underestimated this warehouse thing, man. We originally bought 4 gallons of black paint for the walls. And I'm on the second wall and I'm done because I didn't factor in that these ceilings are 20 feet high. So yeah, there's that. So we're back. We're gonna get 3 more things of paint. 3 more gallons, and I found this nifty thing so it's like an extender. This way I don't gotta get on this ladder. The ladder has been getting, my whole body hurts from doing this, going all the way up to paint, come all the way down, dip the paint, climb all the way back. It was hell. So I thought I invented it in my head, but seems like somebody beat me to the punch. It's called Mr. Long Arm. Pause. And this could go up as high as 12 feet. So I do 12 feet plus my 6 feet plus my arm reach. So it should be more than enough.
You know I'm pulling up, hey, chain on me. You know I'm pulling up, hey, chain on me. Bad bitches screaming, make it rain on me. You know I'm pulling up, hey, chain on me. Gunning foot check, gunning foot check. Gunning foot check, gunning foot check. Got 100 racks, put it on my neck. Got 100 racks, put it on my neck.
Alright, so today was a long day, but I will call it productive. So I'm almost done. This wall is good. Just gotta touch up this wall. Definitely gotta touch up this wall. And I just gotta do this little back in black. So, yeah, my body hurts. So I'm gonna go home and get with the Epsom salt.
You know I'm pulling up, hey, chain on me. You know I'm pulling up, hey, chain on me.
All right, so today we got another task for the ReemGrafix Studios warehouse. All right, so we did the walls. Now it's time to do the floors. I want to get a super dope shine on these floors so when I'm filming, the reflection of light will look magnificent. So I went to Lowe's and I got this thing called Zep High Traffic Floor Polish. Supposedly it's supposed to be for concrete. I looked up a bunch of videos on YouTube. And what you basically do is drop them on the floor and you figure eight it all the way in and leave it there for about, I don't know how many hours, but we're gonna try this today and see how it works out.
Gunning for a check, gunning for a check. Gunning for a check, gunning for a check.
Alright, so I did the little office area first, just so you can see the difference in the floor. It's not even dry and I already see a big ass difference, but look. So this is what it looked with the finish on it, and look at the other side. Wow, dusty. See the difference? Right.